You gonna throw it? Just pick one. Mm-hmm. Very good. Look at all these over here. Look at all these rocks.
Whoa, that one's big.
That's too big. No, that's too big.
The truck is wobbly.
Wobbly truck, yeah.
I did it.
You hit the ice.
I did.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's big.
Mm-hmm.
I did it.
Not too close. Don't go too close, please. I get that one. Look at, watch mommy. Watch the water. Watch the water. Are you ready? Can you do it? Whoa, you smashed all the ice. This one. You don't need to do those big ones. That's why it doesn't go far. Here. Too close. Come away. Yay! High five! Yeah, too close, too close, too close. Careful. Too close. It's really cold. Really cold. Very good. Don't go too close, okay, Bubby?
Oh, look, these rocks. Oh.
Come away, come here. See how slippy that is? You need to come close to Mommy. You need to come close to Mommy. Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this one, eh? Oh, Robin. Hey, that's a heart?
A heart? It looks, yeah, that's the shape of a heart. You're right. Whoa.
A blue guy.
Look at this ice. Why don't you pick up a piece of the ice?
What, that one?
Right here.
Here?
Oh, be careful.
That's a piece of ice?
Yep.
Whoa.
Oh, careful.
I ruined it.
Yes, you did. Oopsie.